again viewers. This is from QSpiders Punjagutta. I'll be taking care of Java here. Okay, one of our student, she got placed in some company. Let us understand. Prasanna, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Sure. I am K.Saai Prasanna. I am coming from Godavari, which is located in the Telangana state. I have completed my bachelor degree in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering with an aggregate of 7.6 CGPA. And I am coming from non-IT background. After joining the QSpiders, I have learned the new course like software testing. In that, some different type of testings like manual testing, automation testing, SQL, code, Java, and in the QSpiders journey, there are our faculties were conducted groomings, interview sections, and presentation and aptitude classes. These are helped me to perform well in this the interviews and get selected in some companies, and I have selected in one company.
Okay, who referred you in QSpiders? Can I ask you?
My brother suggested me to join in the QSpiders. That's why I have joined in the QSpiders.
Could you please explain me what was your experience in QSpiders? What helped you a lot here? Tell me about trainers or grooming sessions or presentations, whatever you did here. Can you please explain me?
Sir, is actually after joining here, I performed well in all the classes, and I attended very regularly the classes, and also my presentation and communication skills were very good, and I'm perfect in technical skills, and also that's it, sir.
Okay, so can I ask you, in this entire process of getting selected in a company, what are all things you faced here?
Actually, I am a very good I have communication. I am some poor in technical skills, but also I have tried my best to perform well in the interviews, and some was losses also, but I never give up, and I tried to get a job and get selected in a reputed company. That's also.
How many interviews you attended here?
Actually, I attended the 5 to 6 interviews. In that, the first round was aptitude. Actually, the first round was rejected in all those, but some hope is there to further rounds. So that's why hope and hard work is main important to.
Okay, so you improved in these days. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
You got an experience. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Tell me which company you got selected in?
The company.
Can I ask you what was the package in there?
3 LPA, sir. They have announced, and the designation was Associate Quality Engineer.
Okay, so it's completely testing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay.